If you really want to transform your financial life, I have something special for you. Before we dive into today's content, let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried to organize your finances, start investing, or simply understand how to make money work for you, but always felt like something was missing? Then I have the perfect solution for you. I've prepared an exclusive ebook called Practical Personal Finance Course, where I teach you step-by-step how to reprogram your financial mindset, eliminate limiting beliefs, and start building wealth intelligently. It's a straight-to-the-point, no-fluff guide that will help you break free from financial struggles and get your life on track. If you're ready to stop postponing your financial freedom, the link to get your ebook is in the description. Now, let's get straight to the point. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, money just slips through your fingers? Or that some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others remain stuck in the same financial struggles? This isn't a coincidence. The difference between those who achieve financial freedom and those who remain stagnant is rarely their salary or luck. It's how they think about money. The good news? Your financial mindset can be reprogrammed. And today, you're going to discover how to change the way you see and handle money to unlock the path to a prosperous future. If you've ever caught yourself saying things like, "Money isn't for me," "Only rich people can get richer," or "Investing is too risky," know that these beliefs might be sabotaging your success. What separates those who build wealth from those who stay stuck in scarcity isn't how much they earn, it's what they do with their money. And it all starts with the right mindset. So if you want to know what essential changes you need to make to transform your relationship with money and finally build the financial life you've always wanted, stay with me until the end, because this video could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Many people grow up hearing that becoming rich is only for those who have luck, an inheritance, or a high-paying job. But is that really true? Let's think about it together. If a high salary were the only factor in building wealth, why do we see doctors and lawyers who earn a lot of money drowning in debt? At the same time, why are there ordinary people who started with very little but managed to build significant wealth over the years? The answer lies in how each person thinks and acts regarding money. Your bank account today is a direct reflection of your financial beliefs. If you believe that money is hard to earn and investing is risky, your decisions will be based on that belief. And inevitably, you'll remain stuck in the same situation. But if you understand that money is a tool and learn to use it wisely, your choices will start working in your favor. This is the major difference between those who grow financially and those who always struggle. And to change this reality, there are three fundamental pillars that define the wealthy mindset. The first pillar is the growth mindset. Financially successful people understand that learning never stops. They don't see money as a problem, but as an area of knowledge that can be mastered. This means reading books, taking courses, and seeking out information about finances, investments, and business. People with a limited mindset believe they already know everything, or that they don't have the ability to learn, while the wealthy are always developing themselves. The second pillar is thinking like an owner, not an employee. This doesn't mean you have to start a business, but rather that you should look at your financial life strategically. Most people work just to earn money and spend it, without thinking about the future. But the wealthy find ways to make money work for them. This can be through investments, creating assets, or even developing skills that increase their value in the market. Those with this vision understand that money should be multiplied, not just used to pay bills. The third pillar is emotional control. Many people make financial decisions based on fear or impulse. How many times have you bought something you didn't really need just because of emotion? Money should be handled rationally, with planning. Financially successful people know how to wait, analyze, and make calculated decisions. They don't spend impulsively, and they don't invest in things they don't understand. And this difference in behavior is what determines who builds wealth and who stays stagnant. But if these pillars are so powerful, why do so many people still struggle financially? Simple. Because they make mindset mistakes that block their financial growth. One of the most common mistakes is living on autopilot. Many people work, pay bills, and hope that something magical will happen to change their financial life. But the truth is, without a plan, nothing changes. If you don't take control of your financial life, you'll always be reacting to circumstances instead of creating your own path. Another mistake is financial procrastination. How many times have you thought about starting to save, invest, or organize your finances, but decided to leave it for later? The problem is that later never comes. Time is the biggest ally for those who want to build wealth. Those who start early, even with little, have a much better chance of achieving great results in the future. Those who wait always regret not having started sooner. And one of the most dangerous mistakes, believing that money is only for those who are born rich. This belief is one of the biggest traps that prevent financial success. History is full of examples of people who started with nothing and became millionaires. The difference wasn't how much money they had at the beginning, but the mindset they developed over time. If you want to take an even bigger step and truly transform your financial life, I have a special recommendation for you. Remember the ebook Practical Personal Finance course I mentioned at the beginning? In it, I teach a complete step-by-step guide to help you organize your finances, break free from financial struggles, and start building wealth in a practical and accessible way. If you feel like you need a roadmap to apply all of this to your life, this ebook is exactly what you need. The link is in the description. Don't miss this opportunity. Now you have the knowledge and know what needs to be done. But knowing isn't enough. You need to take action. If you've made it this far, you've already taken a step ahead of most people who continue living on autopilot. But I want to know, which of these changes are you going to apply first? Let me know in the comments. If this video made sense to you, don't keep this information to yourself. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Financial transformation starts with the right mindset, and today, you've taken the first step toward a prosperous life. See you in the next video. And thank you for watching. More videos coming soon, and see you next time, my friends.